Many great things have started as a simple, creative idea. The more creative you are, the more ideas you will be able to create. You can be creative even if you don't think you are. Many people have been scared to use a computer for the first few times. However, after diving into it, they became more comfortable. They were willing to take a risk and make some mistakes. The result was an ability to learn and do things they would never be able to do without the use of a computer. Being creative and thinking up world-changing ideas occurs in the same way. Everyone can be creative, but they have to be willing to start. The creative process will then become more natural over time. Try the following tips to help you on your journey to be more creative. 1. Record your ideas on whatever is comfortable and convenient at the moment. What is important is that you record your ideas. In the past, I have forgotten ideas that I thought of when I was on a walk. Now I carry a digital recorder with me on those walks. At other times I use my computer, notepad or journal. Choose what will work best for you and make sure you have a way to record your ideas at all times. You never know when an important idea will surface. 2. Don't limit yourself to ideas that seem possible. Capture all of your ideas. Even those that seem impossible to implement are important for a couple of reasons. First, what seems impossible to you may not be impossible sometime in the future or for someone else. Second, impossible ideas encourage further creative ideas that might be more likely to be implemented. 3. Change your scenery or location. A change in scenery can stimulate the creativity inside you. A change might be as simple as looking out a window. You can also visit someplace new like a park, beach, or mall. The new environment can foster new ideas. 4. Read on many topics. It is amazing how many things in a totally unrelated subject can prompt new ideas. By broadening your knowledge into more areas, you make your creativity potential grow. 5. Go for a walk. Some of the best ideas occur when you're on a walk. This applies to any form of moderate exercise. Many people write articles and speeches while walking or jogging. 6. Focus in 10 to 15-minute increments. It does not take a significant amount of time to brainstorm some potential ideas. In fact, brainstorming works best when done for short periods of time. Concentrate for a few minutes on generating as many ideas as you can to address a specific area or problem. Then capture anything that comes to mind throughout the rest of the day. You will have several ideas for consideration for little investment of time. One of those ideas could become something tremendous for you or for helping others. 7. Think big. What questions are you asking to prompt your ideas? The larger the question, the larger the impact the idea may have on the world. You can start by addressing smaller problems, but don't limit yourself to those. You have unique experiences, knowledge and talents that should be applied to helping others on a grand scale as well. Follow these tips and you will be on your way to generating ideas that have the potential to change your life and change the world. Don't let your previous lack of creativity keep you from developing your ideas. Get started today.